It seems that Samsung released their own flagship killer. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G Fan Edition S20. Now, this phone is very interesting because it comes in at a price of $699, $700, and it gives you a lot of flagship specs, starting with a Snapdragon 865. It does have a 1080p OLED display, but it comes in at 120 Hz and HDR10 plus, so you are getting a very good AMOLED display, being that it's not a 2K display. But that doesn't really matter because I have the Note 20, and if I want to take advantage of the 120 Hz, I can't use it in 2K. I got to use it in 1080p. So they eliminated the 2K and give you a 1080p display. It does have Android 10 with the Samsung One UI 2.5, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, which is great. It has 3 camera lenses in the back, a 12 megapixel wide, a 8 megapixel telephoto, and it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide. The front facing camera has a 32 megapixel wide in the front, and both cameras are, well, all 4 cameras are capable of recording in 4K, the rear up to 60 frames per second, and the front as well. So you are getting a lot of flagship features on here for not a flagship price. Forgot to mention, it has IP68 dust and water resistant, wireless charging, reverse charging. It has the bit, everything is in here. So enough about me letting you know about the specs. I'm pretty sure you already know about the specs, so let me go ahead and unbox this and show you what is inside when you buy your S20 FE. Let's go ahead and remove that sticker. Now, I did get the unlock version, as you can see, unlock by Samsung, so you are going to be able to use this phone on all carriers if you go ahead and get the unlock one, but you can go ahead and buy dedicated versions from your carrier like AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon. So on the back of the box, you get a brief description of the device. You do have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G right there, and you have like this spot varnish little symbols on the background of the box. You can see them kind of shine there. S20 in red because this is the cloud red version, and on the side nothing, on top nothing, on the bottom nothing. Let's go ahead and remove and voila, look at that, what's inside. So you do have your pamphlets on the inside of the box here, and you do not get a case or anything like that. You just get these quick reference guide and a SIM ejection tool. Let's go ahead and put the phone to the side real quick, and inside the box, look at that. Look at that. We get a fast charging power brick. Look at that. It comes with your phone. Wow. I didn't know that. And we get a Type C to USB charging cable, so you can go ahead and take advantage of that fast charging capability of your S20 FE. But that is all that's in the box. No headphones or anything like that. No transfer data adapter. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone, because that's what we're here for. Let me go ahead and put this. Look at this bad boy. Look at this in cloud red. Let's go ahead and remove that sticker. Ooh. And you do have a pre-installed screen protector, I think. No, you don't. Look at that. Remove this flimsy thing. I don't know what that was. And you do have a plastic back but you do have a metal frame around that plastic bag, so it does feel solid in hand. Very, very solid, shiny, looks good. I'm liking this red here. It looks very good. You have your 3 cameras there. On the bottom of the phone, you have your speaker, Type-C charging port, mic. On the top of the phone, you do have another mic, SIM injection tool tray there. On the side, left side of the phone, absolutely nothing. Right side of the phone, you have your power button and volume rocker. Kind of mushy, not the best, but feels very, very solid, and you do have a flat display. Let's go ahead and power this baby up and see. Ooh, FE, look at that, looks awesome. All right, so I'm done setting it up, and the fingerprint reader works very good. Reminds me a lot of the A71. Super fast, looking good. Screen looks all right. Let me show you guys something here. So there is bezel, as you can see. It does have a chin, and it does have a chin, and it does have a bezel around the screen here. Now this right here is my Galaxy A71, and I don't know if it looks like, let's see there. It has about the same amount of bezel. The A71's a little bit bigger, as you can tell, but the camera's a little bit smaller on this display, and it looks pretty good. Look at that. That's between the A71 and the S20 FE. The A71's a big boy, as you can tell right there. And it does have the glossy back on the A71. It is plastic. I like this more frosted back here because it does mitigate fingerprints. And it looks pretty good. And let me compare it to, here we have the Note 20 Ultra. And the Note 20 Ultra is also bigger. But look at that. Look how much no bezel this screen has, and this screen does have bezel, but it is good because it is flat. It's not curved display. Here you have all 3 phones, the A71, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the S20 FE 5G. This one's $699. If you get the 5G version of this one, it's about $599, so it's $100 less than this one. But this one, I think, has way better specs than the A71. If you want to see a comparison video, let me know down in the comment section below. This is the Note 20 Ultra. Obviously, this is the big boy. It costs north of $1,000. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see me put this against these phones here, or the Pixel 5, Pixel 4a? We're definitely going to do some comparison videos with the S20 FE. I believe this is a very interesting device, and coming in at a perfect price point of $699. That's $700 for this phone right here. For flagship specs, it doesn't get better than that. It looks like Samsung unleashed a flagship killer of their own. Question of the day: are you planning on picking up an S20 FE, or did you pick one up? Let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when more awesome videos on the S20 FE drop. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.